Affiliate marketing passive income. Many beginners are getting frustrated because they are having a hard time getting started making passive income online. What they do is like most of us do when we first get started, do some searches maybe on YouTube or Google, and we just search for how to make money online or how to make passive income or affiliate marketing. And you end up with what? With a lot of worthless videos, and you get more confused, and then you get frustrated, and then many give up. I know that because I was in your shoes a while back. So in this video, I'm going to show you what we need to do to get started and the right way to get started. We're going to go over 4 items that have to happen before you start making passive income online as an affiliate marketer. There is a solution. But the first thing is, the best solution is for you to go ahead and click that like button so I'll know that you want more videos about passive income, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. Hello, my name is Mark Daniel, a broke factory worker turned entrepreneur a while back. My life was confused, frustrated, and I gave up many times. Now my life is absolutely blessed. I can do anything I want. I can travel anywhere I want, and I can buy anything I want. And I really think everybody should have that opportunity. And that's why I'm gonna go ahead and help you. There's nothing here for you to buy. I'm not gonna tell you that you need to buy a course for $1,000 or $2,000. Let's go to work. Let's make some money. Affiliate marketing, passive income training. We're gonna take it step by step. Before we get started, make sure to understand that we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and these have to be done in order. In other words, you have to start with number 1, then number 2, then number 3, and then number 4. Affiliate marketing, passive income step number 1, which is a niche. You must have a niche. Now, some people say, what is a niche? Niche is nothing but a market. But when we talk about niche, basically we're talking about the markets that are making money for affiliate marketers. Not everything can make you money. There are only 3, as you can see on the screen: health, wealth, and relationship. However, do not be fooled by picking a big niche. These are huge niches. If you took health, there's a countless sub niches underneath it. So you need to find a sub niche that you are passionate about. And I had a question before from someone asking me, I don't know what I'm passionate about. Well, that's something that you have to figure out on your own, but I can give you a clue. If you had to do something without you getting paid, it doesn't matter what it is. What is it gonna be? So if you come up with an answer, that means you do have some passion, and as human beings, we all have passions. And if you are having a hard time coming out with some niches, don't worry about it, because I do have 27 niches. When I say niches, I mean sub niches for you to make passive income with. I do have the blueprint. All you have to do is request it in the comment area. Affiliate marketing passive income number 2, which is going to be marketplace. Now, some people call it network, affiliate marketing networks. It really doesn't matter what you call it. It is about what you know about it and how can you utilize it. You probably have seen some YouTube videos about telling you what are the best networks or best network markets for affiliate marketing. Put that aside, because if you're a beginner, you cannot just go into the big stuff. What I'm talking about, there are, like for example, there's a network called Share a Sale. It's very hard to get into. It has to be easy, obviously. As you can see, it has to be easy. And then there are 2 of them that I recommend. One of them is ClickBank, and the other one is Digistore24. Affiliate marketing passive income pillar number 3, which you can see is product. Now, of course, you want to sell the best products. And how do you do that? Well, I do have a video about that, so don't worry about it at this point. You don't want to just pick a product randomly. It has to meet some criteria. And I made a video about it where you can pick affiliate product to make passive income online with 1 click of a button. Affiliate marketing passive income step number 4, or pillar number 4, which is very important. Now, we picked 1, 2, and 3. Number 4 is basically like the execution. How are you going to execute this? This is so important, and this is where a lot of affiliate marketers fall flat on their face, is because they don't even pick any tools, or they just pick the wrong tools that are cheap or is free. Now, the first one that comes to mind is sales funnels. In case you don't have that sales funnel, I wouldn't worry about it because I do have a hack where you can use a sales funnel without paying for a sales funnel. You just have to watch some of the video. The second one under that category is going to be the email autoresponder. Not all email autoresponders are the same. Some of them are very hostile toward affiliate marketers. Now, the other one underneath that is tracking. You cannot improve anything that you cannot measure. So a tracking software is going to be one of the most important things that you can have, because you spending all this money. You want to know, are people clicking on your link? Are people clicking on your page? Where are they stopping? You need to know that. Otherwise, it's going to be a very, very hard thing for you to do and succeed in passive income and affiliate marketing together. And below that, you're going to see that you have traffic. Traffic is the most important thing. This is the lifeline of your business. Even if you have the best product in the world, the best affiliate product in the world to make passive income, if nobody sees it, it's going to be worthless. So you need to have two ways to get traffic. One of them is the free way, and the other one is the fast 24-hour traffic. I'll leave all that information below. And if you want all this, make sure to hit the like button so I can send you that information. There are some do's and don'ts about traffic, and I cover that in my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and recap very quickly here for you to understand why these are so important. Otherwise, it'll be very difficult for you to understand. Well, the niche is so important because the simple fact is, if you are marketing something you don't understand anything about and you have no interest in it, and all the people that I work with that did not like their niche, they just picked it because they thought it was just profitable. What happened is that they gave up on it, because when you work with something that you don't like or maybe you hate, you're not going to last that long. We talked about the market, which is number 2. I'm talking about the affiliate marketing network. If you're not picking the right network, which is the easiest one to get into for beginners, if you're not a beginner, hey, the sky is the limit. You can pick anything you want to, you'll be fine. And number 3, the product. Obviously, you want to pick a good product, but at the same time, you want to pick a product that people are actually buying. I do have some people, they just go by the highest gravity, they click on it and they start to sell it. Well, you and 5 million other people are doing the same thing. It has to have some strategy behind it. And number 4, you're probably wondering, well, okay, we talked about this. Now, yeah, you gotta have the tools, big deal. I challenge you to build a table with your hands without using any tools. Is that possible? A lot of people use the wrong tool and they expect why things are not working out for them. Well, now you know. You should have the right tools for you to succeed. I want you to succeed, so that's why I'm making this video that is free. It's up to you to make it happen. Now, I mentioned that don't worry about the other stuff like details, because I do have in my YouTube channel, I have lots of videos about affiliate marketing and passive income and how to make money online. Everything I talked about is in the YouTube channel, so take advantage of it. If you want to make passive income and create $10,000 passively, click here. If you want more information about how to get started in affiliate marketing very quickly and start generating money, click here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.